Ooh. Hi guys, how's it going?
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. It's early to late January, and we're finally back on the car after a lot of procrastination and freezing weather.
Yeah, so it's been really cold, so we couldn't actually put the engine back together because all the seals and stuff would just,
Well, we're not sure what happens when you work on a car on -1 or 2 degrees. So
yeah, so I don't think the stuff would seal properly, so
we wanted to make sure it's a slightly warmer day. So today is a balmy 10 degrees and raining.
yeah, just quickly give you a preview of our weather protection. Heinz, do you want to walk us through this quick?
Yeah, so basically everything's underneath, including our head, which is down this side, and our grease weighing down, and a few tools weighing down the top of them, so it doesn't all get too wet yet.
Yeah, and we've got to work around our gearbox, which is just over here.
So it's in hiding.
So,
today.
Yeah, busy day today. Today is a turning point. What is the turning point?
So today's the day that we put the head gasket in, put the new cam chain in, which is the reason why we started everything in the first place. Hopefully we'll be able to seal up the block by the end of today. And so it's the first day of assembling everything. Yay! So up until this point we've been actually demolishing everything and taking it apart, and today's the first day we actually start putting together. So it's like the hump of the project. Thank God.
Yeah, so I guess big day today.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll get some good progress.
I hope I've bought all the right bolts. I don't think I have, but it turns out it's quite difficult to buy a selection of M5, M6, M7, or M8 bolts with varying lengths in a kit together.
Yeah, no, I think you have to order them all separately.
Yeah, that's not good for someone who doesn't have attention to detail.
For someone who doesn't want to order 1,000 at a time. Right, so we'll catch up with you guys later.
Wicked. So quick update.
So we've got the bottom timing chain on, which, yeah, the instructions weren't 100% clear, but we got there.
So it turns out we forgot to put, we put the chain on and we checked, like, now there's 2 bolt holes still vacant, and then
we realised we needed to put the left-hand side guide on, which the ELSA one doesn't actually tell you. But to be fair, we're idiots. We should have seen it. But anyway, so let's take it off and put it back on again, but that's fine.
So we had to redo all the work, take it all off, put it back on, retorque it.
But yeah, so that's done. So next step is to put the head gasket on so we can feed the top cam chain through it as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, head gasket and cylinder head goes on in a minute, and then
and then we can put the bottom cam cover on after that.
Yeah, bottom cam cover, top cam cover at the same time.
Yeah.
Potentially, and then the cylinder heads. Then the thingy head.
So we've been working on this for about an hour and a half now,
the cam cover, that's what it is. Yeah,
it's definitely a one-man job because there's not enough space for 2, and I'm
busy
fighting with the steering rack, trying to change the bushings that sort of help turn the wheels. I don't even know what they're called, and I can't get the old ones off.
To be fair, it would probably be easier if the entire thing was constructed
a bit more rigid,
hanging from the bottom of the car.
So I think might have to park that and I'll go and do something else, like, I don't know.
Well, I'm going to need your head with the cylinder head anyway.
Clean something.
Because I can't pick that up myself.
So,
it's too heavy. Anyway, so there you go.
Ciao.
Cheers.
So, quick update for you guys. We're about to... We're about to tighten the head.
Torque the head.
Torque the head, is that what we call it?
Yeah, we're going to torque the head bolts in order.
So we're doing them with 30 first.
30 Newton meters, followed by 50. And then a 90-degree turn after that. So
you'll also notice, guess who's made a rear appearance? Our engine brace. So once that's done, we're going to start to brace things again.
Ralph can start his suspension fetish again.
Just because it's gotten real heavy all of a sudden, putting the head back on.
Yeah.
Cool, you know.